Are daddy longlegs actually the most venomous spiders in the world? Now, the daddy longlegs is an insect/spider that everyone knows about, frequently invading your home and freaking your kids out at every opportunity. But why is there a myth going around that they're actually the most venomous spiders in the world, but they can't envenomate you because their fangs aren't strong enough? I have heard it so many times and even read it on newspapers and websites. Now, as far as I'm aware, there's actually two animals here in the UK which people call daddy longlegs: the harvestman spider and the crane fly. Personally, I've only ever seen the crane fly as daddy longlegs, but hey ho. Anyway, the harvestman, which is an arachnid but not a spider, has no venom of any kind. They do coat themselves in poison, but it's harmless to us. And the crane fly isn't even a spider, it's an insect, and also has no venom at all. So that dispels the myth, and it's actually one of the most ridiculous ones I've ever heard of. So where did this myth come from? Who made it up? Well, the answer is, we don't really know. Perhaps it's one of those facts that people make up on the spot, which has been circulated so many times now that it's common knowledge. So there we go. Next time someone gives you the fact that daddy longlegs are the most venomous spiders in the world, pull up this video and show them the real truth. I've been Simon Dan. This is another Misconception Mini, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, I'm in the garden. Subscribe here. That's the subscribe button. More videos, more videos. Enjoy.